Are you tired of dealing with tenant issues, late payments, and property maintenance headaches? Managing real estate can be overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Welcome to CB Property Manager, your trusted partner in professional property management. Whether you own a single rental property or a portfolio of investment homes, we take the stress out of property ownership so you can focus on what matters most: growing your wealth. At CB Property Manager, we handle everything from A to Z, including tenant screening. We find high-quality tenants with thorough background checks. Rent collection, say goodbye to chasing late payments, we handle it all. Maintenance and repairs, our 24/7 team ensures your property is well maintained. Legal compliance, we stay up to date on landlord-tenant laws so you don't have to. Financial reporting, get clear monthly financial statements on your properties. We don't just manage properties, we maximize your investment. Our dedicated team ensures high occupancy rates, minimal vacancies, and top-tier tenant satisfaction. Plus, we use the latest technology to keep you informed every step of the way. Ready to experience hassle-free property management? Contact us today at 640-696-5797 or visit www.cbpropertymanager.com. Let's turn your rental property into a profitable, worry-free investment.